Hello, little learners! Today we are going on a pirate craft adventure! Look! We found some pirate treasure! Look! But we have no chest to keep it safe in. Can you help me make a pirate treasure chest? Yes? Yes! That's great! Let's make it together! Look what we have. Here is a small box. You can use any box you can find. Any paper box. Some colors. Any color you like. Some stickers. Look. Yeah, any stickers. Stickers. Some paper shapes, some animal shapes, look. So cute, yeah. So we are going to cut out some paper coins. Look, we need some yellow or shimmering circles, yes, and maybe some glue. So, box, glue, colors, brush, pencil, scissors, and maybe you can ask your grown-ups for some help. Let's begin. Look, here is the box. This will be our treasure chest. Yeah. Let's color it. I choose brown. Brown. Let's color. What color do you choose? That's great. Nice choice. Let's color. Color, color, color. Side to side, up and down, the chest is brown. Yeah. Side to side, up and down, the chest is brown. Good coloring. Let's continue and color it all. Looks great. Now, let's keep it aside to dry. Meanwhile, let's make some coins. We have pirate coins. Yeah, it's a real treasure. Peekaboo. 2 coins. Let's make some more. Ready to count together? Yes, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 coins. Great job! Wow! we have treasure. Now, pirates love treasure. Let's add some shiny gems and decorations to our treasure chest. Look, a golden heart. Let's stick it on. So cute! Let's keep walking. Uh-oh! Let's decorate more. We need some more stickers. Starfish. On. Seagrass. On. Next, look, our friend Biter the parrot. Hello, Biter the parrot. Hi. Wow, so cute one. Hello, friends. I want you to meet someone very colorful and sweet. It's my friend Biter the parrot. Hooray! He's a pirate just for today. He has feathers so green and blue, and he loves to squawk hello to you. Biter the parrot, squawk, squawk, squawk. Watch him hop and hear him talk. Biter the parrot's friend so true, sailing on a ship with you, sailing on a ship with you. Bye bye, Biter, see you soon, under the bright and sunny moon. Squawk! Arrr! Look, so beautiful. Let's have a look at our treasure chest. Here is a golden heart and our friend Biter the parrot. Here is the palm tree leaf and sea turtle, and here is the fish. Look, this is the purple flower and golden flower and blue flower. Yeah. 1, 2, 2 red hearts. And here we have some seagrass, starfish and seahorse. Yeah, well done, little friends. And we have some gems. Look, so beautiful and shiny. Now we can put our treasure in. We have some golden coins. Let's put them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hooray! All coins in. Wow! Now we will keep our treasure safe. Now, let's be pirates. Walk, walk like a pirate. Step by step, step by step. Hold your chest. We are pirates. Arrr! My treasure! Step by step upon the sand, we are searching through the land. Looking here and looking there, there is treasure everywhere. Left and right we walk along, moving to a pirate song. Soon the chest is what we'll see. Come along and walk with me. Come along and walk with me. Arrr! Today we made a treasure chest. Yes, we used color, glue, some coins, and many decorations. Look. Amazing sticking today, amazing crafting, and amazing talking. Yahoo! We made today a treasure chest in a pirate way. Stick and glue and count with me. Best little pirates on the sea. Yay! Wave goodbye now. Bye-bye, little pirates. See you next adventure. Bye!